Alright, be honest. How many of you are scrolling through YouTube Shorts thinking, man, if only I could make money off these like all those creators out there?
Right? You're sitting there with your 15-second masterpiece, but your wallet? Oh, it's still empty. What if we told you that turning those YouTube Shorts into cold, hard cash is totally possible?
And no, we're not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme. This is legit, real-deal YouTube Shorts monetization. By the end of this video, you'll know how to monetize your YouTube Shorts like a pro and start earning that sweet ad revenue. Let's get into it.
First things first, you need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program. I know, it sounds a little corporate, but trust me, this is where the magic begins.
So how do you get in? Well, the base level starts with fan funding. You'll need 500 subscribers, 3 public videos in the last 90 days, and either 3,000 watch hours on your long-form videos, or get this 3 million views on your shorts.
3 million views might sound like a lot, but with shorts, it's totally possible. People are doing it every day. Once you hit that, YouTube unlocks some awesome features like Super Chat, Super Stickers, and channel memberships.
Super everything. Seems like YouTube's version of superhero powers, doesn't it? But really, these features allow your fans to donate directly to you, either during live streams or just for supporting your content. It's like getting a tip for being awesome.
Exactly. And don't forget about channel memberships, where fans can pay monthly for exclusive content or perks. Think of it like YouTube's answer to Patreon. Fans want to support you. Give them a way to do it.
Let's talk about something even bigger: sponsored content. I'm talking about brands sliding into your DMs, asking you to show off their stuff in your shorts. And no, I don't mean the kind you wear.
Yeah, no need to do a fashion show of your gym shorts. I mean real partnerships with companies that want to feature their products in your videos. Here's how it works. As your channel grows, you'll start catching the attention of brands that fit your niche. They'll pay you to incorporate their product or service into your shorts. Sounds fun, right?
It's like getting paid to play with cool gadgets, try on clothes, or show off that tasty food. And trust me, companies are paying big bucks to get their stuff in front of your audience. All you need is a solid pitch and proof that your shorts get views. Those brands will be in your inbox faster than you can say, collaboration.
Exactly. And don't forget, you don't have to wait until you've got millions of subscribers. Micro-influencers, even you with a smaller following, can still score brand deals. You just need to have engaged followers who trust your opinions. Think about it this way. It's like being a mini advertising agency for yourself.
Yup, next thing you know, you're flexing that new skincare product, but pretending it's casual. Oh, this? Yeah, I just casually moisturize while filming my shorts.
And if the product's terrible, just toss it into the background. No one needs to know you hate it. But seriously, sponsored content is a game changer if done right.
Sponsored shorts equals big bucks. Plus, you can keep being yourself. Well, as long as you're someone who likes free stuff and getting paid to talk about it.
Next level, this is where the money gets serious. To unlock ads on your shorts, you'll need 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 watch hours on long-form videos or 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days.
Yeah, just a cool 10 million views. No big deal.
It's crazy, but hey, people are doing it. Once you're in, YouTube starts showing ads between your shorts and you earn a cut of that ad revenue.
But here's the kicker. It's not as simple as slapping ads on your shorts and cashing in. YouTube pools all the ad revenue together and then splits it based on how many views your shorts get compared to others.
Let's break that down. Imagine all shorts creators are dipping into the same pot of money. The more views your shorts get, the bigger slice of that pot you receive.
And the best part? You keep 45% of that ad revenue. Sure, YouTube takes the other 55%, but hey, it's their platform, they've got to make some money too, right?
Still, 45% of potentially millions of views, not too shabby.
But wait, that's not all. YouTube isn't just giving you ads. They're giving you an entire storefront. What if you could make money selling products directly from your videos?
That's right. Once you unlock YouTube shopping, you can promote your own merch or even tag products from other brands in your shorts. This turns your shorts into mini commercials for things you love or sell.
Think like that. You're an artist, and you're showing a cool DIY craft. You tag the materials you're using, and boom. People watching your shorts can buy those materials directly from the video, and you get a cut of that sale.
Or maybe you've got a travel channel and you're tagging the gear you used for that epic hike. People trust creators they love, and they're willing to buy the products you recommend.
You're no longer just a content creator. You're a content creator and a mini business owner. Merch, brand deals, affiliate marketing, it all flows from your shorts.
Okay, let's not get carried away. You're not a CEO of a Fortune 500 company yet, but you're definitely on your way.
Now, one thing to keep in mind, YouTube takes a small cut to pay for music licensing if you're using copyrighted music in your shorts. But don't worry, it doesn't impact your overall earnings.
And remember, whether you're using copyrighted music or not, you're still earning based on views. So, go ahead and make that awesome montage with your favorite track. It's not going to hurt your wallet.
Just focus on creating content that grabs attention and keeps people watching. The longer they stick around, the more likely you are to earn.
But you're probably wondering, what's the fastest way to hit 10 million views? Well, let's talk about some strategies that can boost your chances.
First tip, consistency is key. Post regularly and keep your audience engaged. Shorts thrive on trends, so jump on what's hot, whether it's challenges, viral music, or current events.
Second, optimize your thumbnails and titles. Even though shorts are primarily viewed in a feed, a catchy thumbnail and title will still help grab attention.
And here's a pro move. Repurpose your content. If you're creating long-form videos, chop them into bite-sized shorts. You'll double your chances of gaining views across different formats.
Lastly, interact with your audience. Respond to comments, engage in live streams, and make your viewers feel like part of the journey. The more connected they feel, the more likely they are to support you through fan funding or memberships.
All right, that's a wrap on how to monetize your YouTube shorts like a pro. If you don't start making money after this, I don't know what to tell you.
Hit that like button if this video didn't make you rich immediately, because it's definitely gonna help. Drop a comment below with your favorite tip, or just say hi if you're feeling extra social. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more ways to turn your scrolling into stacks.
Your wallet is going to need some stretchy pants with all the cash it'll be holding soon. Time to make it rain, people.